Guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you at the mystery reveal for February 2020. I'm super excited about this kit. As all mysteries, this kit is no longer available. If you were looking for it, I would definitely check out the Scribble Prints Go Buy Sell Trade. January was almost, I feel like, impossible to find. As soon as somebody posted one for sale, it was snapped up within like 5 minutes. But definitely follow over there if you are DISO, which I only recently found out what that meant, desperately in search of this kit. If you sign up in February, which the spots will open mid-February, I always have those posted on the Scribble Prints Co. website. On the mystery tab, then you will get the next month's mystery. So let's go ahead and get into it. So pretty. Look at these colors. Look at this foil for Ultimate. Let's go through the Ultimate first. This is, like I said, February mystery. It has already shipped, so it is no longer available. If you were charged on the 1st or if you signed up for the mystery on the, what is today, the 20th, then you, or if spots are still open tomorrow, then you will receive this kit in the mail. She thick. So this is the February mystery kit. This is the little journaling card. I love how like simple this is. So it has like a watercolor pastel background with the bow. I feel like this would go with a lot of like TN setups, or you could just frame this and put it out for like springtime, and it's just super cute. I have a little wall of like different journaling cards going, and this is gonna look super cute on. I want to do a picture of it whenever it's all done, but it's gonna take a minute because it's a pretty big wall. So this just has a little bit of information about the collection itself. And then the only thing is we didn't end up using the Sparkly Hollow Bow Wiggle. We ended up using the Chunky. Long story, but the Chunky is there, but it's still Sparkly Hollow and it's the same size and everything. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you guys the kit first, like if you would buy the kit in shop. And then I'll show you guys all of the extras you get. So this is the Ultimate kit here. So you do have the Munchkin Head freebie, and this is a spring cleaning themed kit. So it's like really like decked out with like pastel marble, has all different like cleaning things. You use this for spring cleaning, decluttering, moving, like just a kind of like anytime kit, which I really love. And it definitely inspires me and makes me want to clean and declutter. And we did, I think, a spring cleaning type kit 2 years ago. So I was like, we need another one. I've never done one in a shop, I don't think. So these are the colors. Oh, and this is like supposed to also be kind of like Marie Kondo inspired. And then you have her book over here. Super cute. I love Marie Kondo. Her show on Netflix was amazing. Then you have your ombre hair checklist. You have your half boxes. I think this would look really pretty with silver gold, but also obviously hollow and sparkly hollow. That's why I paired it with sparkly hollow. You have your extra full box here, which just has different, more cleaning kind of supplies. These colors are like really fabulous. Like you're gonna die when you see the colors. They're like the perfect pastels. And I love the green and the blue. It's just so fun. You have your marble just here for all of this. And then you have some deco over there. You can also mix this with marble multicolor. You have marble bottom washi and then marble date covers, which have like a gradient color. So the dates themselves, the days of the week, have like a rainbow pastel kind of look to them, which I love. So that is the Ultimate kit. So whenever you are subscribed to the Ultimate kit, an Ultimate kit in shop is $29.95. So whenever you are subscribed to the Ultimate kit, it is $30 plus shipping. So pretty much like the same price. And then you have the journaling card. You have the 15mm strips. These are all like extras on top of it. So you have the 15mm strip, which is a really pretty gradient, like ombre. You have the glitter headers, the label sampler, and the Fashion Girl add-ons. Super cute. I love the little bow in her hair and how she's like holding the cleaning supplies. It's so fun. I wish I looked that cute when I was cleaning, but I don't. So already there you have, it's like $95, $195, $195, $195. And then on top of all of that, you do get a full wiggle, which our full wiggles are now, I think whenever we bring back, I want to double check this because I don't want to say the wrong thing because me and numbers are not friends. So whenever I brought the January, which is the first time I showed this, when I showed this new format, we brought it back. It's right here at $16.95, and that's still like a value for sure for this amount of foil items. So the Wiggles in shop are now having 6 of these sheets, and then the mysteries come with 3. So you're still getting 9 sheets of foil, which is crazy. Even if you valued them at $1, which even I think this is like $2.45 I think in shop, so it's still like a crazy value. So you do have, this is all sparkly hollow. I'm obsessed. Sparkly hollow for life, guys. And then the chunky, it's just so versatile, so it's just perfect. So you have your chunky 15 millimeter, you have your bows, you have your icons, you have like the scroll prints, co-labels, you have, oh, this is so pretty. This is like amazing. Sparkly hollow scripts. You have your sparkly hollow icons and date numbers, sparkly hollow food and drink doodles. And then this one's kind of like a variety sheet because the chunky is just kind of like little dots. So you can kind of like, you know, depending on your spread, if you want to use like little twinkles or you want to use hearts or stars or whatever you want to use, you have lots of options there. And then you can just save all of the rest of these and use it with your regular sparkly hollow little stash. And then these are the 3 sheets that you get here. So you have the chunky glitter headers, 7 of those, the half cut headers, so you have 14 of those, and then you have 2 full box overlays. So all in all, you get enough of the glitter headers to do a week. You have some half cut headers. You could even, honestly, I've considered doing bougie boxes in sparkly hollow because it is a popular foil, but I feel like regular hollow bougie boxes are fine with a sparkly hollow spread, just in case you wanted to do that. And then, or you could just use these as 2 of them and they equal a header, and then you have 6 full boxes for the week. So lots of options there. And this is just great to build your sparkly hollow stash as well. So like I said, with the ultimate, you get the ultimate kit, you get a full mystery size wiggle, and then you do get these extras as well. So I am obsessed with this kit. I just think it's so cute. I love the colors paired with sparkly hollow. It's just knock out of the park in my opinion. I like this year's mystery lineup is like honestly so fire that every month I'm just like, yes, yes, please, yes. And then like there's some, I have one mystery done for 2021 just because of how it lined up. And I also have our 6-year is done. We're actually getting some things in the mail today from other shops for our 6-year bundle, which is like the most beautiful like kit ever. Like I think might be my favorite kit ever. And then also I have Cyber Monday mystery done for this year, and that is also a very, very fabulous kit that I feel like everyone and their mom needs. Literally everyone and their mom needs. Then let me show you guys the mini kit. The mini kit is the more affordable option. It does not come with foil or anything like that, but you do get 2 extras for being subscribed. So you do get the journaling card, there's the Munchkin freebie, and then you get the glitter headers and the label sampler. And then this is the mini kit. Still super cute. It's the same format as in shop. So that is the mini kit. Like I said, the more affordable option. Obviously, the ultimate kit is where it's at with all of its extras and things. You get so much extra in that. But if you are on a budget or mini kits are more your style, then you can pick up the mini kit subscription. And next month is super cute too. I love the colors of next month because I feel like they're colors that we've never done together, but are like really, really good. And I think a lot of you are really like, I don't even know if there's pink in that kit. If there is pink, it's really not that prominent, which is crazy, but it's like really beautiful. So that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that you guys like it, and I'm so excited. I love this journaling card. I think I'm gonna have to go steal some extras, but I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.